My name is Jamie Smith.
And I'm David Smith.
And we have a Shield exterior roof. I think what sold to us was just knowing someone who had gone through the roofing procedure before, trusting that person. So I guess maybe just word of mouth, but in this area people had them too, so we were able to actually see them as well. So it started, it was pretty fluid. He came to the house, he spent a significant amount of time with us that evening.
About an hour or so, yeah.
Going through, showing us all the different things, and then he gave us a timeline, and within a couple days of that timeline, because things change, but then from beginning to end, it was pretty much, it hit that timeline through the whole time.
Yeah, for the most part. Every time, it hit most of the timelines that we were expecting.
It was so great. I came home from work, and it was just done. I didn't even know anybody had been here. I was like, wow, my roof is on. So that was probably the best part. Yeah, it's just done.
Longevity. Well,
yeah.
And living out here.
Yeah.
The branches, the trees, and everything else. It's and the barn and everything else has a metal roof. The durability. I would say so.
Absolutely.
Everything. No complaints. Everything matched
all the
up.
expectations everything that we had discussed on the first meeting was done. The timeline was hit, and like there was no mess. Like I said, we didn't even know that they had been here. I definitely would recommend.
Yeah, I've recommended it to some other people on the fire station.
Yeah, I have too. Just friends that I know. It's kind of a no-brainer because they can see it too. And since we just had it done, we can tell them about it. So we have a visitor.
I'll hold him.
Yeah, you got him.
Yeah.
What do you think about the?
Looks good.
Shield Exteriors Roofing, protecting what matters most.